Hi guys, welcome back on my channel, and if you're new, nice to meet you. I'm Natalie. Today I'm starting a new journal. Let me grab them. Okay, here they are. So, I asked on Instagram which one of this color I should have used for this journal, and the pale blue one won. So I'm going to use this one. I will explain quickly what plans I have for this journal, the things I'm going to use, and I head over to the process. Since I have lots of time now, I wanted to improve my lettering game. Other than learning from amazing classes on Skillshare, an online platform full of thousands of classes, where you can literally find anything, even lettering classes, I don't have lots of outlets to improve my lettering game. Yes, I do have monthly themes and setups, but there isn't space for lettering. I do quote pages for every month, but it's not enough. I think it's not enough for me. So I decided to use this journal just for that. And by the way, it has the right amount of pages, as you can see, so it's not too thick and it's not impossible to fill these with quote pages. So I'm going to fill every page with a quote so that I can practice and lettering, composition with different styles and doodles. I hope by the end of this journal to be able to see all of my progress. So from page 1 to the last page. Now I'm quickly showing you the things I'm going to use. Okay, so these are my own stickers. These are the my April Patreon stickers. You can find these two on the $5 tier, and this sticker sample of my $2 tier. I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, it was upside down. But if you're interested in what I have to offer in my Patreon, of course I'm not going to offer just stickers. I have lots of other goodies. I have the link of my Patreon page in my description. Now, let me grab. Okay, then I'm going to use these pens and brush pens. We have just a normal black liner. It's 0.38. Then a small black brush pen. It's not a particular brand, I just bought it from AliExpress. I'm going to leave the link if they are available. Then I'm going to use these 3 fine liners from Monami Plus Pen 3000. I bought this from AliExpress too, but don't worry, I will link everything that I use in the description box. I have these 3 colors. Then as brush pens I'm going to use this Koi coloring brush pen. It's the yellow green. And then I'm going to use this Tombow dual brush pen number 451. Okay, now I've talked enough. I'll let you enjoy some good music, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in my video, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. It will really help me a lot. And nothing, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. So I really love how this first page came out. I've decided, as you can see, to write down for every quote page the supplies I used, in this case colors, and then the number and then the name of the brand, of course. And I don't want to write any date because I don't want to feel pressure, for example, to do a page because it passed a lot of time from the last one, etc. I just want this to be a fun time, a chill fun time. So yeah, I love it. And I started on the right page because, you know, right pages are always the best. And then going to fill this one the next time, and yes. So I hope you like this page, and if you want a particular quote page to be created, please leave the comment down below, and I will do it. I won't, of course, make a video for every quote page, so if you want to see all of my quote pages, please follow me on Instagram. I will definitely post videos. I mean, I will definitely post photos of my pages there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time.